Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can download Among Us on your PC or on your laptop. So now as you can see right over here, I am on my web browser on my laptop on softonic.com, where they have Among Us available for Windows. You can go ahead, tap on download for it to start downloading, and once you have it downloaded over here in your documentation downloaded files, you can go ahead, install it and play it. Now the next thing is you can also go to your Epic Games as well, and I've already searched Among Us to see. You can see if this Among Us base game is available. You can go ahead and then go to the process of getting it, downloading it, again checking out. Before that you have to sign in with your account, and you can also get Among Us on available on Epic Games as well, so you're easily to find it, and now you can download it and go ahead play it. Now as you can see right over here, it is not appropriate for all ages, so make sure to add your birth information and you're good to go. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.